You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is Ivory Cooks, and welcome to my home. I'm joking, I pray one day we'll get there, don't worry. But in the meantime, I just want to show you guys our new Airbnb for the next 3 days. So this is where we're staying, but disclaimer, we paid for a room. So we're getting, like, we paid for a room upstairs, but then we have access to every other thing downstairs. So come inside. So once you walk in, you have this space over here. It's more like, it's very artsy, you know. So you also look up and you have this beautiful lighting. And it's so nice, it looks very, very nice. I like the fact that it's dropping. And then you have the speakers over here, and we'll go upstairs to the room in a bit. But let me take you guys to the living room. Let's go. Oh yeah, you also have this mirror. A mini staircase here. And next is the grand kitchen. And you have this fridge. I don't want to open it just yet because it's not mine, but you have that. And then you keep walking, and then you have the huge dining table. You have this picture wall, and in between you have a see-through glass where you can see the pool. In fact, let me take you guys to the pool. I like the fact that, you know, it's here and you can see it from the dining table, the kitchen and the living room. Like, I mean, this is very nice, very different from what I'm used to. So I really like, it's very airy because of all the doors and, you know. Okay, enough of that. But yeah, this is the living area, and as you can see, it's very close to the kitchen. So when I'm cooking my J rice or my fried rice or my spaghetti or my egusi soup or my ogbono soup, everybody can smell it, you know, and they can surround me before it's ready. One day, these huge plants here with this huge pot. So once you come out, you have another sitting area here, like I mean, sorry, right, I mean, it's so nice, you guys. Very nice, and from the pool you can also see the beach. And let me take you to the beach. Oh my god! You have the beach, guys. Let me show you our room. So welcome to our bedroom. Let's check it out. So guys, this is our bedroom, and this is what it looks like. Love it. Feels really so. I think it feels so like the last one. It's so sweet. Yeah, definitely so. Okay, high ceiling. Okay. So right now, Emma and I, we're just going to get our stuff because we haven't even like moved in officially. I just wanted to quickly do a house tour and show you guys where we'll be staying for the next 3 nights. I'm crazy. Oh my god. Wow. Hello. Hi. Imagine you vlogging behind me. Too loud.
You want to be dropping my money, calling me honey, whining my body, girl, you are on. But you don't really understand that you're beautiful.
water. Oh shit, sorry. Huh? Hi guys. Okay. Wow, that was close. I need to brush my hair real quick. We initially wanted to swim this evening because this is our last night in Mauritius, but it's so cold outside, so yeah, that's not happening. Anyway, the host's son is treating us to dinner and I'm going to show you what we'll be having. Go downstairs. Down. Okay, Fabrice.
No, I don't know. I look so bad right now.
No, you don't. See, you don't.
I look so bad.
You don't.
What am I wearing? It says bad boy.
So guys, this is Fabrice. Say hi. So he didn't necessarily make us dinner. You just microwaved it, right?
Fixing it up for us.
Okay, he just fixed it up. But did you cook it?
Let's just say I cooked it.
You should just lie to them. Let's just pretend. Okay, so can you tell us what we're having?
English.
Okay, say it in French, then you say it in English.
Okay, ça c'est
Tomato sausage.
rogaille saucisse, tomato sausage, well done. Rice, lentils, riz lentilles. This is like a white bean with the sauce. This is farata. This is pumpkin, this is mushroom, and this is another vegetable. I don't know the name now. Putting it in the microwave. There we go.
What do you call the sauce again?
This is lentils.
Lentils.
Lentille.
Monty.
Yeah.
Guys, we've just been chilling all day, man.
Guys, get your glasses and we top you up.
Yeah. I want to top up, but like I haven't even finished the one in my glass. Can you imagine? Cancel me, please. Okay, it's done. Alright, let's eat. I should let you know. Do you like cold food? Do you like... This is a lot to taste from. But would you say Joburg is safe?
Sorry?
Would you say Joburg is safe?
It's the least safe place in South Africa. But I don't know, it just depends. It depends how organized you are.
Is this yours?
Yeah, it's mine, thank you.
I don't know what mine is. Unfortunately.
Like when you're in central Joburg, you feel like you're in New York. This place is just like so high.
So
Joburg or Cape Town?
For holiday, Cape Town, definitely. But Joburg, it's cool to see for a day.
Wow, you cleared your plate.
I know, I was so hungry. Because when you stay home and you have nothing to do, you just eat and drink all the time.
Yep. I mean, that's why we added weight on this trip.
I think I gained like 5 kg since I've been in Mauritius.
Really?
Yeah. Do you guys want some more?
No, I'm good.
I'm good, right? This is so good though.
It is good.
I know we still have pizza upstairs.
Oh my god. Breakfast.
Maybe tomorrow.
Breakfast. I think cold pizza for breakfast is the best thing.
Cold pizza.
I'm glad. Finally had Mauritian food.
Yeah. Is this Mauritian or Indian? I don't know.
Mauritian. It's more simple than Indian food.
Oh.
You know, less ingredients and less spicy. Are we done?
Here we are.
Sure.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I need to find my phone. It's here. Found it.